This is 2e. These equations are a little bit harder. So let's start with a. I really wish you would try a before I do it, and then go watch the video and see if you did it the same way. Good time to pause now. So I need to expand this first to get 6x minus 8 equals 11. Now it's just like the easier problems that we did yesterday where we add 8, sorry about that, add 8 to both sides, and I get 6x equals 19, and then divide by 6. And it's perfectly fine to leave your answer like that. Okay, let's look at b. This I'm going to have to expand first, and then I'm going to have to combine like terms. So I expand the brackets, 2x plus 6. You don't expand the 2 to there because that negative 4x isn't inside the brackets. So I've written exactly what I get from expanding, then that equals, and the 8. Now I can combine like terms. So I get 6 minus 2x equals 8, and now I take 6. Remember, the 6 is positive. This negative sign belongs to that term. And then divide by negative 2. Perfect. All right, let's try C. This has x's on both sides. So we need to have a little bit of a thought about this one. I have to decide what side I want the x's on and what side I want the numbers on. So I'm going to just grab my pencil here for a minute. I have a 5x here and a 3x here. I can't just combine them because I have an equal sign between. So I can't just combine. But I can wholesale take this whole term, and I can take 3x from both sides. So that's gone. And I get 5x minus 3x is 2x minus 2 equals negative 4. Make sure that sign stays with that 4. Then I can add 2 to both sides. I can 2x equals negative 2. Be careful with your adding and subtracting of integers there. And then divide by 2. There's a lot of room to make an error in these kinds of problems. So when you start practicing, you need to do it really clearly and thoughtfully so you don't make a mistake. All right, finally, let's look at D. I might have to move down, but I'll start it here. It's 3 bracket 2x plus 4 equals 8 bracket x plus 1. Okay, so all the stuff combined. I have to expand. Okay, so that has to be done right. Expanding first. Then I kind of look at it and I say, well, you know, should I take the 8 over there or the 6 over here? Some people love to always have their variable or their pronumeral on this side, and so they would do take 8. I personally would do take 6, so that's what I'm going to do. Take 6x, take 6x. And I get 12 equals 2x plus 8, and I'm going to take 8, take 8. Am I off the page? Not yet. And so I get 4 equals 2x, divide 2, x equals 2. Again, heaps of room for error here. I could have done it the other way. You know, when I was here, I could have done 6x plus 12 equals 8x plus 8. I could have taken 8x. Just humor me for a minute. Let's see if we get the same answer. I got negative 2x plus 12 equals 8. And then I could have taken 12. And I could have got negative 2x equals negative 4. And then I could have divided by negative 2. And got x equals 2. So I still got the same answer. It doesn't matter which way that's written. 2 equals x or x equals 2. It doesn't matter. This is less negative-y, but some people like to always have their x on the left. So you make a decision about which way you'd like to do it, one or the other.